All right, so this is student Dr. Bakari here, and we will be performing a urinalysis. So, gloves. First of all, wear the proper PPE, and you are dealing with urine, so don't want to be dealing with someone's bare pee on your bare hands. Here we have the test strips, we have the urine sample, we have the urinalysis machine. It's on already. There's only one button right there that you would be pressing. Get yourself an alcohol pad, lay down a towel, and what we're gonna do first is, with our gloved hands, wipe down the area where the test strip is going. If you are feeling particularly clean, wipe this down as well. Take a test strip out of here. Open your sample, dip and saturate the test strip with the urine. Blot it twice. Place said test strip here on the device. And there's this option that says test strip or strip test. Press that. You are going to click start to begin. This will enter inside of the machine. There will be an option that says for you to opt to pick which color of the urine that you're seeing. And then you would, if it's yellow, press yellow. If it's anything other like a brown or anything else like that, click other. And then just while the test is being analyzed, just observe your sample. Make sure that you're noting any differences and so on and so forth. And yeah, once that is done, still with gloved hands, remove the test strip, the used test strip, discard it in the biohazard bin. Sanitize, take off your gloves, and throw them away. And that's how you do a UA.